When you think of all the kids in the city that have to be at school every morning, it makes you kind of wonder how they all get there. It's not like there's one giant school bus, although that might be kind of fun, as long as I can sit next to Jimmy.
Now, each committee will work together on different aspects of city life. Now, presentations and reports are due next Tuesday. Any questions? Yes, Arnold.
Can I copy it from the encyclopedia?
No, Arnold, it has to be original work. Now, if you live next to someone else in class, raise your hand so I can team you up.
Do you mean that I live in the same building, Mr. Wagner?
Okay, Peter. Does anyone else live near Peter and Jimmy?
Nobody.
Okay, and I'll get back to you two in a moment.
Aren't you forgetting somebody?
No. I heard you were moving.
Moving? You heard I was moving?
Yeah, didn't you hear that, Jimmy? Sure did. Far away. Shanghai, right? Yeah.
Shanghai? That's in China. Why would I move to China?
I don't know, because you like egg rolls.
Egg rolls? I'm moving to China because of egg rolls? That's absurd. Mr. Wagner, I live in the same building as Peter and Jimmy.
But I thought you were moving.
I'm not moving!
Okay, then Jimmy, Peter, and Sheila make up our last committee. And your lucky topic is transportation.
Transportation. Cool, like superstar jets and nuclear submarines and invisible spy planes that travel across the country.
No, silly. Like subways, buses, taxi cabs,
You forgot something?
What?
Rickshaws.
I don't know why we got such an easy topic. Mr. Wagner usually likes to challenge me. I suppose he had to consider the rest of the committee. Make room for me.
What do you think you're doing?
Sitting down, isn't that what a bench is for?
Not this bench.
And why would that be?
Because it's me and Peter's bench.
Your bench?
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Since when do public benches belong to anyone?
Since now.
Peter! Wow. You have to do all the research on transportation by yourselves. That should be a hoot.
Wait. Let me guess. A poodle?
No, a golden receiver.
Retriever. That's golden retriever, biscuit brain.
Watch me fetch.
Hey, Doc. Hey, Fudge. Go fetch.
Well, my, this is an unusual sight. What brings the three of you so close together?
A school project, Mrs. Hatcher. We're all supposed to work together after school.
Oh, that's great. Isn't it?
Yeah, great.
Well, I better get on home before Fudge gets into a dogfight. Hey, listen, if it gets too crowded out here, you know you're welcome to work at our house.
Oh, thanks, Mrs. Hatcher, but we're perfectly comfortable here.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse went up the clock struck one, the mouse went down. Hickory dickory.
You have the best snacks, Mrs. Hatcher.
Thank you, Jimmy. It's nice to be known around the neighborhood for your junk food.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory.
Fudge, cut it out.
Okay, Pete.
Don't you have somewhere else to go?
This is my room, too.
Don't remind me.
So how should we divide up the work?
My idea is, if you two do the poster, then I'll do 10 pages of the booklet. And then you each only have to do 5.
How many pages do I do?
None now. Be quiet.
Fudge, are you all right?
Mom, Fudge is being a total pest. We can't get anything done.
A total pest.
Fudge, are you causing trouble?
Oh, no, Mrs. Hatcher. He's no trouble at all.
Yes, he is.
Well, I'll tell you what, Fudge. Why don't you come on in the kitchen with me for a treat?
Okay. Does Peter get a treat, too?
Yeah, some peace and quiet.
Come on, we're not getting anything done this way.
That looks right. What is a 3-letter word for atmosphere?
Candy cane.
Very good. Now then, what is a 2-letter word for yes in the Yucatan?
San Francisco.
You are so good at this.
Thank you. Why can't I help Pete with his homework?
Because Peter has Jimmy and Sheila to help him.
But why can't I help too?
Well, because they don't need your help right now. Listen how quietly they're working together. Maybe you can help him later, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Mwah.
What color poster?
Blue.
Blue.
Yellow.
Blue.
Come on, blue.
Okay, we'll have a votage. Who votes blue?
Me?
Me too. Who votes yellow? Looks like.
3 against 2. It's yellow.
Come on, we're supposed to be working.
Don't you think I know that?
Look, we can only do the booklet your way if it's all in the same handwriting. So Mr. Bogner doesn't know who wrote what.
It makes sense. So who's gonna write it?
I do have a nice even script.
For a chimp.
Oh, you think yours is better?
Maybe Sheila should do it.
Okay, but Mr. Bogner's gonna think Curious George wrote it.
Take that back.
Okay, I take it back.
Stop that! Stop that!
Get off of me, you nutcase! Get off of me, you dirty monster! Get off of me, dirty monster! Get off!
Man, we're not gonna get anything done this way.
All right, I'll do it. But I need your pages by Friday.
Friday!
That's right, Friday.
I could probably get mine done by Friday.
Whose side are you on?
Well,
Why do you always have to be so bossy?
Friday.
Nice committee.
Well,
Is that supposed to be a train?
no, it's a truck.
A truck?
Yeah, you know, like a big thing with wheels and a horn that goes honk honk.
I can draw a truck.
It doesn't look like a truck.
Then what's it look like?
Flying train?
I can draw a train.
Fudge!
It looks like it's up in the air.
That's because it has no ground under it.
I can draw a truck and a train.
Nobody asked you, Fudge.
Maybe Fudgy could help you guys. Is that a boat?
I can draw a boat and a train.
us again.
Where is he?
The boat looks like it's flying too.
You want to see something fly?
Since this is a committee, I'd suggest putting some water lines around it and some clouds around the plane.
Listen, this is our poster. You're working on the booklet, remember?
Oh, there you go again. This is a committee. We're supposed to work together.
Working together doesn't mean you give us the orders and we carry them out.
It doesn't? Hi, guys.
Hey.
Oh, hey.
It's not finished yet, but I thought since we're a committee, I should share my progress.
Let's see. Transportation in the City by Sheila Tubman, Peter Hatcher, and Jimmy Farley.
Just the way we discussed it.
And handwritten by Sheila Tubman?
What? Well, not the way we discussed it. Are you out of your mind? What happened to us being a committee?
What is my handwriting?
Well, we didn't put our names on the posters.
Smart move.
Take that back.
Okay, but I'm not changing this. It looks perfect.
We're not handing in that booklet. I'll rip it up first.
You wouldn't. Wait, Peter! You wouldn't. Give it back to me, Peter Hatcher! Jimmy, come to give it back!
Come on, Peter, we're not going to get anything done this way.
You take your name off.
No!
And I'm ripping it up.
Come on, Peter, give it back.
Fine. I don't care anymore.
So, how's the project coming along, Peter?
Very slowly. We don't make much of a committee.
Well, you do if you're forming a hollering committee.
We just can't agree on anything.
Sometimes it's tough working with friends.
Well, you'd think 3 people would be done by now. We still have a lot more to go.
I can draw a boat, a truck, and a train.
Sure you can. Then go do it.
Okay.
I don't see what's so important about working together anyway. I mean, I'd be done by now if I was working alone.
Peter, some things have to be done with others. Because working together can create magic.
Wait a minute. What are you doing here?
That's tango.
No, that's not the tango. This is the tango.
I don't think so. That's the hokey pokey.
I'm afraid not, sir. This is the hokey pokey.
That's a foxtrot.
I'll get it.
Was it a Blockstep?
No, Blockstep.
No.
Bye, guys.
I can think of 1,000 places I'd rather be than here.
I know, 10,000.
Fine with me.
Peter!
Peter.
Come on in, guys.
What's going on?
Look, just look what he did to our poster.
I think I'd better be going.
Me too.
Where's Fudge?
Where are you? I'm gonna get you.
Peter, can we come in? Look, we're really sorry about what happened. Peter.
Don't you see? I can't even do my homework without him messing it up. It isn't fair. Why do I have to share a room with him? I hate him.
You don't hate him. You just think you do.
Don't tell me, I mean it. I really can't stand the kid.
You're angry, Peter. I can't blame you. He had no right to touch your poster or your things. Well, he won't do it again.
How, you gonna tie him up?
Not a bad idea.
No, he'll be punished.
You don't understand. The problem is he thinks this is all his. Everything in this room.
Well, maybe we can change that.
We'll talk about that later tonight. In the meantime, we have another poster board.
I don't need another poster board. I need another brother.
If we work on it tonight, maybe we can get it done by tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. Us three work together. I'd rather hand this in.
Might as well try. We're still a committee, right?
Yeah, let's go. Let's get busy. Okay.
I'll do the lettering.
This is Thatcher's room. So it's gonna be red.
Yeah, should we go on the Yeah, sounds good. Sparkle?
That's our report on transportation in the city.
Well, first off,
Thank you.
I would like to congratulate all three of you on how well you work together. I'll remember to group you as a committee in the future. Great work. Any questions? Arnold.
Who drew that train?
I did.
Any other questions? Arnold.
I just wanted to know, like, how come it looks like it's flying?
So we finished our project as a committee. The flying train committee thanks to Fudge and his dopey drawings.
Hi, Pete!
I'm not talking to you.
Okay, Pete, I can talk to you, right?
I'm not listening.
It's in our room, Pete.
What'd you do this time?
You're not gonna like it.
Not again.
Is this tab A or slot B?
See, Pete? Bad news.
Soon you have your own room, Peter. If I can ever figure out where this goes.
We thought it was time you had some privacy.
This is unbelievably terrific. A wall between me and him. My whole life is about to change.
Hi, Pete. 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 Hi, Pete.
It's a start.
Hi, Pete. Peekaboo.